So YouTube, back with another video. We're gonna go meet up with my boy KB. We're gonna go have some fun. There's a cop. Yep. Oh man. Man, oh man. Who doesn't love riding, bro? Seriously, come on. There's nothing more exhilarating than fucking riding. Like, dude. You just gotta, I don't know why people are like scared to ride, and nah man, you can't just be scared. Fuck all that shit. You gotta ride, bro. If you constantly live in fear, constantly living in fear, oh this is gonna happen, this is gonna happen, this is gonna happen, what the fuck are you even alive for, bro? Seriously, you need to live a little. I hate all this fucking traffic. Seriously, this shit is annoying. Damn, that shit's so sexy, bro. So sexy.
I just wish Erica was able to ride so she can get that CBR out, dude. That paint job on that CBR is just fucking...
Sheesh.
I need to take it out for a ride, though.
You have to. You have to.
I need to take it out for a ride.
You gotta alternate.
It's hard alternating, dude.
Yeah.
And then she never rides the Harley either, so I gotta pay attention to that one, too.
You gotta ride that one, too. All three of them. You gotta ride them all.
Ready?
Go for it. Yes, sir. Jeez. Beautiful. Let's go. Yes, sir. It's a beautiful day to ride. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Any opportunity that I get to ride, I take it. Because this is, I mean, come on, man. You guys know. If you ride, you know. You know. It's not something you can explain. It's something that it's just a feeling, bro. You just gotta experience it. You gotta feel it. You know what I mean? So you just gotta feel it. Man, that Arrow exhaust sounds so good. That Arrow exhaust sounds so good. I feel like my bike needs a bike. Like, I got a bike, this is my bike. But now I feel like my bike needs a bike. Just like my dog. I feel like my dog needs a dog. I can't be the only one that feels that way, right? Comment down below if you feel the same way, that your bike needs a bike. Let me know. Man, that exhaust is loud. I love it. Oh man, it's so loud. I feel like it's louder than my M4. Man, I love this. They've finally done the roads. They finally fucking did the roads. Thank goodness. This shit has been under fucking construction. Shit. It feels like fucking years, bro. Years. KB. That shit is nice. You gotta let me ride that, KB. You gotta let me ride it. Oh man, that's so good. So good. So good. So pretty. It's maravilloso. Woo! Hear that pop? Oh yeah, there's a cop, there's a cop. Good shit, good shit. Yeah, there's a cop right in front of us. Oh no, that's the same cop that we saw earlier. That cop, he looks like he's ready to pull someone over. He looks like he wants to meet his quota today. Yeah, that's funny. They are everywhere. Yep, they are fucking everywhere. They are everywhere. Incredible. Incredible. Take it easy around here, man. There's way too many cops. Man, oh man, they are out here today, boy. They are out here today. Incredible. They are out here today. Man, I ain't never seen that many cops in that short period of time. up, Paul? KB. We wait for KB. That's too much fun. Who's that? Bug hit me. Oh look, there's, oh, he's coming. He's coming. I know he likes to party.